Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the ColourPop Luxe Lipstick Lip Swatch video. Yes. And so recently ColourPop came out with, I believe, 24 shades of their new Luxe lipsticks, and I will be lip swatching 11 of those shades. I do plan on getting 5 more shades, but at the time I bought my 11, the other 5 that I wanted were sold out. So, and then they were sold out the second lunch as well. So that's frustrating, or the second restock, or the first restock. I can never keep up with this stuff. But needless to say, I have 11 of those shades I'm going to swatch on my lips today. And yeah, I decided to do this one because I really want to, and I know a lot of you guys are wanting me to. And also because I haven't seen a lot of chocolate brown skin divas doing these lip swatches, so I thought I would just, put it out there. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to start by talking about the packaging. And ColourPop's liquid lipsticks came in their Luxe lipsticks came in this sleek white box with the gold, rose gold lettering, and it just says Luxe, give me some lip, with the ColourPop name and all that good stuff. And then inside, the tube looks like this. It is your standard lipstick size packaging with the bullet tube that looks a lot like this. And the tube has, I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but there's like imprints of stars on it, which I thought was really, really cute and a nice little cute touch. Yeah, if you're into that type of stuff. But yeah, and the packaging itself also has little stars on it, and it also says ColourPop on the tube. I really like the rose gold. I am just obsessed with rose gold, period. So this was like, yes ma'am. And then we're gonna get right into the actual lip swatch. And I'm not wearing any of the colors on my lips right now. This is actually Teddy Bear from Milani. But yeah, and I also do have a look video on this look right here. If you haven't caught it already, what you waiting on? Go. I'm gonna leave it right there in the description. Click it. Thank you. All right, let's get started. lipstick swatch. Yeah, so just final thoughts. These lipsticks are super creamy. Like, even the ones that slightly tugged on the lips, and when I said that they slightly tugged, it was like the first, as soon as you put it on, it was, and it was probably because at this point, I have literally wiped my lips raw, and they were drying out, and I didn't want to apply chapstick or lip gloss on my lips because I didn't want it to interfere with the actual formula of the lipsticks, if that makes sense. So the first application on top of those dry lips was a little, but when I say it was slight, it was like bare minimal slight. Slight tug, but once it warmed up to the lips, the lipstick just literally melted onto my lips, like literally melted pigment onto my lip. And if y'all see me keep looking off over here, it's because this lash right here is seriously clocking out on me. I've had makeup on my face since 10 this morning. It is now, I mean, it's only 7:37, but it's still a long time. And this lash right here is like literally, it said it had enough. It's like ready for me to just call it a night. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. Also, I would like to say all the shades that I chose were white teeth friendly. They do not make your lips look yellow. Not even this one, which is surprising. My teeth actually look super freaking white with this color, which is surprising. Oh, wait. Be careful with Appy though, because I don't know if y'all can tell, but it has also bled onto my teeth. So be careful with Appy. Not Appy. What color is this? This is not Appy. Be careful with Getty. Getty is bleeding onto the teeth. But other than that, my teeth look super white with this color. My teeth looked super white with all the colors. All the colors were creamy, smooth. They just melt onto your lips like butter. If I can compare them to any other lipstick brand that I know, that would probably be the Milani lipsticks. The ones that come in this packaging. What are these? The Milani whatever lipsticks. These right here. These lipsticks. Y'all know these lipsticks. These are literally my favorite. Okay, lash. She really tired. These are literally my favorite drugstore lashes of lashes. I'm tired. These are literally my favorite drugstore lipsticks of all time. They are the most creamiest cream, and this is the original formula, not the matte formula, but the original formula. These are amazing. So if I can compare ColourPop to any lipstick, it would be the Milani and the Milani. I believe they're the Sensational lipsticks. In the original formula. These lipsticks are amazing. Creamy, creamy, creamy. If you have dry, chapped lips, there is no need to worry with these lipsticks because it's like putting on a lip balm or chapstick. It instantly smooths out your lips and makes them look amazing. Like absolutely, absolutely amazing. Your lips feel amazing. I'm so over dry ass liquid lipsticks, y'all. So yeah, those are my final thoughts on the ColourPop Luxe lipsticks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do a lip swatch on the next 5 that I get, then let me know by thumbs up in this video or let me know down in the comments. And if you guys do, then I will do a lip swatch video on the next 5 that I get. There were 7 that I was gonna get, but I looked at them again and they were really close in color. So there are 5 that I'm gonna get them. These are nice to have in your collection. Really nice to have in your collection. And you know ColourPop, I'm pretty sure they're going to come out with more shades. And there's a shade for everybody. Every skin tone, every undertone, every flattering tone. There's a shade for you. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and take Miss Boo Boo Child over here off because she's clocking out. I'm going to go wash my face because I'm clocking out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not yet, there's a bell that y'all got to press. Now, if you press it one time, no, if you press subscribe, then you get some of my videos. You get some of the notifications. But if you press that button twice, you get all the notifications. All of them. So once you subscribe, I know you want to, just come on now. It's free. I upload every week, sometimes twice a week. I mean, what y'all waiting for? Subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can get all my notifications, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. What happens to your lips after you've tried 11 different lipsticks on back to back? Yeah. They gonna need a good scrub after this. A good scrub.